This is the FCTO Daily Forex News Report for the 13th of May 2013. The Japanese yen edged lower as the week starts as the G7 meeting over the weekend signalled acceptance over the depreciation of the Japanese currency, even though financial ministers pledged to monitor the Bank of Japan's policies and the impact of the yen's weakness on other currencies. German Finance Minister Wolfgang Schaeuble noted there was a very intense discussion about Japan with our Japanese colleagues, while the UK's Chancellor of the Exchequer George Osborne stated that G7 leaders pledged not to manipulate currencies and said Japan's policies impressed delegates. Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda reaffirmed the stance to meeting a 2% inflation target by 2015 through aggressive asset purchasing, as easing will contribute to achieving our domestic objective of ending nearly 15 years of deflation, whilst Finance Minister Taro Aso said there was not any option on the yen's decline. The US dollar retreated mildly as markets digest last week's broad-based rally. There has been increasing talk that the Fed will exit from stimulus earlier than markets have priced in, and this would remain a factor supporting the greenback. Also, with major stock markets expecting to continue to make new record highs, funds are expected to flow back from bonds, commodities and yen back into the US and Europe. The US dollar will have an upper hand for strength in the Dow and the S&P 500. In a speech at a Chicago Fed banking conference, Chairman Ben Bernanke stated that one of the key risks is how the system would respond to the failure of a broker-dealer or other major borrower. He also stated that more work is needed to better prepare investors and other market participants to deal with the potential consequences of a default by a large participant in the repo market, and possibility of a run on money markets funds remains. In the Eurozone, European Central Bank President Mario Draghi said that the central bank is looking at a variety of things to boost lending to small and medium enterprises, and buying asset-backed securities is an option, but he noted that the ECB don't have a position on that yet. Meanwhile, German Finance Minister Schaeuble expressed his opposition and said that the ECB purchase of ABSs would infringe European rules. On the data front, Australian home loans rose more than expected by 5.2% in March, and the National Australian Bank's business confidence deteriorated to -2 in April. Chinese industrial production rose less than expected by 9.3% year-on-year in April. Fixed asset investments rose to 20.6% year-on-year, and retail sales rose 12.8% year-on-year. The main focus today is on US retail sales, which are expected to drop 0.3% in April, with ex-auto sales down 0.2%. For all the news affecting the market throughout the day, join us at forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk. That's forexcurrencytradingonline.co.uk.